You're doing a soda challenge.
No, put on the light.
Turn the lights on, bro. Okay, here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, no, don't start. We have to wait for Elliot. Okay, here he comes. I love sipping. There he is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is how great I am. No.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Okay, 3,
no
2,
coughing.
burping.
Yeah, burping.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Pretty good. Can I suck it like a dog?
Oh my god.
Made me laugh.
Stop. Drink your soda.
Ow.
He's crying. Oh my goodness.
What the heck? I'm gonna show you how great it. No, you're not.
I'm done.
You drank it over there.
No, I did not. Oh, it's so much harder with Sprite.
I can't eat it.
I feel it.
I feel the burp coming, so should I just... Don't touch me.
I'm waiting for this burp to come.
I just...
Oh, I feel it. Oh, I feel it.
I feel it coming. It's coming up my butt, and then it's my throat.
Oh, he burped. He's out. He
Wait,
burped.
what? I'm out?
Yeah, you're out.
I was hoping for a burp. Do not.
I'm gonna show you. When I laugh,
I feel it coming.
How far are you in? Oh my god.
It's so heavy.
It's so much harder with Sprite.
Dude, you love Coca-Cola. Hey, this isn't the Christmas time. I want a refund. I need a refund.
Show the back of your head.
Bro, I'm bald.
Yeah, show the back of your head.
I'm shocked. I'm pretty sweaty because we just played basketball and I suck.
Oh, he got locked in a room and then he fell and hit his head on the box.
Yeah, bro, I peed my
Are you
pants.
feeling it, Theo?
I'm just kidding, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A what? Okay.
Just a sec. I'm gonna show you how great I am. Okay.
Done. Done.
Time. No, I can't do that. Time.
So, okay. Still haven't.
Shut, Daddy.
Are you gonna drink? How much is left? Oh my goodness. How much is left?
I'm done.
Oh, I just saved one.
I'm done. I'm not done yet. Suck it, boys. I finished.
What did you say?
Nothing. Subscribe.